We're here at the Town Commons in Brunswick, Maine, and I'm going to show you guys an old railroad train. Come with me. Entering the Brunswick Town Commons. So this is the Town Commons. Part of it at least. Welcome to Maine. So we're in the Town Commons, and I'm about to show you guys an old abandoned train. Come on. How this got back here, I haven't a clue, but still very neat. Check it out. Somebody can identify that. Looks like Kingston. And it's pretty much just a bunch of metal and wood at this point. Some graffiti. So this is the old train car. Thought this was beautiful. I wanted to take a video, show you guys. Soon the snow will be here, and this will be even prettier. Oh, I can't wait. Love Maine.